Good morning. So, first off, this is brought to you by Jameson today. Bought a fridge. Gotta love the dog. Has little sleds on it for transport. Couldn't figure out how to get them off. If you look up underneath here, there are screws. Which, let's see if my camera will get to it. Screws, bolts, whatever the hell you want to call them. But you have to, as you can see, tilt the fridge up for to access. So, leaned it, threw some blocks up underneath it, found the socket for it. Read online somewhere that it was 5/16. Couldn't find that in my garage, so I found 3/8 with an extension. That seems to fit. So, if you're like me, you told the movers they could just drop the fridge and go, didn't have to install it because you're an idiot. This is how you get those sleds off. Don't spend 15-20 minutes trying to kick them off because you think they just popped right on.